Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to create a Wattpad account. But before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our videos, and now let's get into it. So the first thing that you're gonna need to do is open up your web browser, then click onto the search box above and type in Wattpad and press enter. And then from the search results, you wanna click onto the first link. It's gonna take you to the official Wattpad website, as you can see. And creating an account from here is actually pretty easy. You can click onto the sign up button in the top right hand corner of your screen, and then you can choose to create an account using your email or Facebook account. If you choose any of these options, it's gonna open up a new tab and ask you to enter your Facebook or Gmail login details. And the Wattpad account will be created within seconds. However, if you wanna do it manually, you can click onto the sign up with email button down here. And then from this screen, you want to insert your information like the email, username, birthday, pronouns, which is only optional. And then you can choose a password and make sure that it is something that you can remember. And after you choose, you're going to have to re-enter it again down here. And tick these boxes to agree on the terms and conditions. And finally, click onto the sign up with email button down here. And then it's going to ask you to choose what you are interested in reading. And that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you found it useful and see you in the next one.